September 18 is observed as World Bamboo Day by the World Bamboo Organization for generating awareness among the people for the conservation and promotion of bamboo industry. Bamboo is known as green gold. It is omnipresent as it dominates rural and urban landscapes. From artifacts to sustainable architecture, bamboo remains a favorite as it grows fast, low on maintenance, and has versatile potential. Bamboo is known as poor man's timber. It is omnipresent in tribal culture and community living. Rural communities engage with bamboo handicraft, textile, artifacts, and household utensils. According to reports, India is the second largest cultivator of bamboo in the world. There are 136 species of bamboo in India. Among them, 50% of it is seen in eastern India like Assam, Manipur, Nagaland and Mizoram, etc. Bamboo can grow at the rate of up to 1.2 meters a day. It takes only 3 years to establish mature growth. In India, bamboo has been reclassified as a grass rather than a tree with an amendment to the Indian Forest Act. The bigger the plant, the more carbon dioxide it absorbs.
World Bamboo Day. World Bamboo Day was officially established by the 8th World Bamboo Congress held at Bangkok in 2009 and declared by the Thai Royal Forest Department. People use this day to make awareness of the benefits of bamboo and to promote its uses in everyday products.
Friends, I am Jayalakshmi from Tanvi. Bamboo Day celebration. Bamboo Day celebration on September 18 of every year, indicating the preservation of our natural resources and forests. This day is modeled after the Earth Day. Bamboo is known as the green gold. The bamboo plant can diminish the poisonous elements from the soil. It can resist atmospheric pollution and soil erosion. Mizoram is said to the bamboo queen of the country. Guvada bamboo and Mosa bamboo are the best species for construction and industrial use. Bamboos are easy to cut, handle, repair and maintain. It is a crucial element in the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Thank you.
The Northeast region is a hub of abundant natural resources, and bamboo forms an essential part of the lifestyle of the people of the region. As the world celebrated World Bamboo Day on 18th September to conserve and promote the bamboo industry, the northeastern state of Manipur too celebrated the day under the theme Bamboo for Sustainable Development Goals at Palace Imphal Ground. Bamboo crafts and products ranging from baskets, showpieces and home decor items were at display showcasing the essence of bamboo put out by the creative artisans of the state.
First thing is to have a master plan. We know the bamboo resources, but we don't know the skill, we don't know the product, we don't know how to extract. So we need to create a master plan. Why master plan? Because bamboo will not live for long. After 4 years, bamboo will start decaying. You have to cut before that.
Bamboo cultivation and planting of it will decrease the level of soil erosion during the time of flood. It can reduce pollution. Its plant reduce up to 35% of carbon dioxide in the climate and deliver more oxygen. The plant is antifungal and antibacterial. Modern research has revealed that bamboo shoots have a number of health benefits. According to Vastu Shastra and Feng Shui, bamboo is regarded as a lucky plant.